Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the image you want to use as wallpaper on your phone. Check image resolution like 1080 x 1920 pixels and aspect ratio 16:9 before applying. Use JPEG or PNG files and keep file size under 5 MB for faster loading. Save chosen images in the Photos or Files app for easy access when setting wallpaper. Decide whether you need a static photo, live photo, or dynamic background for motion and battery considerations. Backup originals to set a wallpaper on most Android phones. Long press an empty home screen space and tap wallpaper. Alternatively, open settings, then display wallpaper to access options. Select an image from Photos, Gallery, or Wallpapers collections and then crop to desired framing. Use the preview to keep important subjects within the safe area and avoid the status bar. Choose home screen, lock screen, or both and then tap Set to apply. For live or motion wallpapers, confirm 2 taps to enable animated behavior. On iPhone, open settings, then wallpaper, then choose new wallpaper to pick from Photos or Apple options. Preview the image and enable or disable perspective zoom based on preference and device motion. For live photos, tap the live option and press to preview the animation before applying. Crop and position the image while watching the 1125 x 2436 or device resolution preview to ensure composition. Tap Set and choose lock screen, home screen, or both to finalize the wallpaper quickly and consistently across your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.